sixth gear. All right. Sometimes I forget what gear I'm in, and I'll go for sixth gear, and I'm already in sixth gear. You know, sometimes I look for an eighth and a ninth gear. October 2nd. October. Already October 2nd. I just don't know. I'm not looking forward to the cold. This weekend, the highs are only in the 50s here in Ohio. I don't want to do that. I don't want to. And I'm riding the old, beautiful, amazing, most wonderful Can-Am Spyder ever built. 2015 Can-Am Spyder F3 base model with 81,000, almost 500 miles on it. And this thing is just a blast. A blast to ride. Even at 81,000 miles, this thing has so much roll-on power. It amazes me. I love it. I love it. I'm telling you, if they can make an RT as quick as this thing, I would trade in both and get the RT. So come on, BRP, let's make an RT go fast. Oh yeah, dropped 4 gears on that. Oh yeah, this thing sounds wonderful. We get on the brakes hard. I should be in first gear, but that's fine. I'll pull out in second. She quick. Yeah, so the leaves are changing. The corn is going brown, as well as the soybeans. So it's not going to be much longer, and the white Spyder will be put away. I need to get the back tire put on this thing. It is literally a race slick. I've been having issues. It's just so bald. It is so bald that I get on the throttle and just haze that back tire. Oh, they're going slower than I thought they were going. I slowed down to 30 on that one. Yeah, they are going slow. I just don't know what I'm going to do. Stay behind them? Nope. Oh, that thing broke. That look like fire to you? Moo cows at speed. I hope you can hear the noise this thing makes. It is just wonderful. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this thing is just wonderful to ride. And I mean, it has not had an easy life. You know, everybody that follows me, this thing still just chills outside. And yeah, it just chills outside and it just goes and it goes. Oh, it's been wonderful. I'm on 328. 312. It's 312. Right off of 664 and 312. Came into Bremen, tiny little sleepy town. It's gorgeous, or village. And yeah, I'm just gonna ride this until I don't know, until I find another road. It dead ends into 93, and then I'll probably go left. I took the white Spyder out yesterday, and it was a decent little ride. But today I have some time. I am riding, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet, so I can ride for a couple hours, get home, make dinner. Life is good. So I've never really dedicated a video to anybody. So let's dedicate a video real quick. We're gonna dedicate this video to Debbie. Debbie, you know who you are. She is an amazing person. She has served in our military for 20 plus years. She has at least 2 more years in the military. She's in the medical part of it. Her daughter has gone through some pretty major illnesses in the last few years. And Debbie is a very strong person for everything that she's dealt with over the years. So this video goes out to Debbie, and I hope you like it. Oh, I did not see Amish dude. Not the best place to pass, but it is what it is. That is such a beautiful property. All that house is sitting in there, gorgeous. Gorgeous people. But yeah, my weight loss. I've lost 46 pounds. 35, 36 of that since August. So weight loss is doing good. That way I can be as strong and as healthy as I can be. That way I can start working on this. I know that there's a lot of videos I can do on this. You're just gonna have to wait just a little bit longer because I'm not quite there yet. I'm every day I'm working. I am getting better and stronger. I think I'm up to about 5 miles a day, or just under 5 miles a day with all the housework I do. And plus I walk twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day. So we're getting there. You know, mentally I probably have not felt as good or this good in a long time. It is just remarkable, the difference in even my voice. So I was editing some video from a couple months ago, and I could just tell in my voice I was just like beat up and done with all of this. And you know, I fought really hard, and I pulled my big pants up with help from family and friends. And in just a few months, I am smiling, losing a ton of weight, enjoying life, and seeing a path which I can move forward. And that's important. We need to find our own paths, what makes us happy, and then we need to pursue that. You know, a country song, it goes something like, you need to chase your dreams because dreams don't chase you. And that's real. So, you know, if you have dreams out there, you get chasing them. I am chasing a dream as we speak. So, you know, and even though I love riding my Can-Am Spyders, I use them as my escape from reality, and I had to for years and years and years. That's why I have so many miles. I don't have so many miles under my belt because I want to brag and be like, I've ridden 182,000 miles since 2012 on a Can-Am Spyder. No, I did it for my mental health. I had to get away, and that was the only way I knew to get away, was to hop on one of these amazing machines. You hear that BRP? And you know, go for a ride. Oh, dead deer. So now I mean, I rode yesterday and I'm riding today, but I mean, I go a week or more without riding, and then when I do go for a ride, it's like an hour and a half ride at the most, you know, because I just don't need to release all of that stress, because all of that stress in my life is gone. It's not all the way over with yet. You know, we gotta finalize the divorce, and then a lot of that stress in my life walked out the door months ago. And you know, I'm a happy person, very happy person. So we are on 93 heading towards Shawnee, Ohio, which I absolutely love. Shawnee. They had to demolish a whole bunch of buildings there, so it's not quite as cool, because these buildings had the old balconies, and you know, I can just jump back to the early 1900s where people were on the balconies and people were walking. It's either an old coal or oil town. I'm assuming coal. You know, if I had to guess which one. Oh yeah. Oh no. What am I gonna do? I'm on an old man trike, and there's a turn. Love this thing. I love it. It just amazes me how well this thing performs. And it's just solid, especially with that rear shock. Now that I've lost a lot of weight and I'm not riding too up, that shock is pretty aggressive for the weight I have. You know, if I had to do it all over again at this point in time in my life, I would get a softer shock, but it fits the front shocks really well. And it's just a little rougher of a ride. And I mean, this isn't the, I'm going to take a big trip. This is, I want to go out and be a little hooligan. And it is perfect for being a hooligan. You know, so like I said, this video does go out to Debbie. Serving in our military, doing the best job that she can do, plus being a very dear friend. You have helped me out in more ways than you know, and I think that's all I'm going to say. Everything else can, you know, be between Debbie and myself. I don't need to air it out on YouTube. Look at that tree changing colors. How dare it change colors? Darn trees. And we haven't had a lot of rain this year, so they're going to go brown. You know, like all of that, it's just brown. And, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you get the pretty colors, and sometimes you do not. Hey, look at the motorcycles. Motorcycle 1, motorcycle 2, motorcycle 3, and were those Triumphs? I would assume that they would be. They be is of the Triumph nature. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little twisty. Oh, that was a big old bump. Yeah, it's amazing how brown these trees are already getting. You know, there's a little color in them. There's some pretty red in there. So I think I'm going to let this go before I start saying stuff that I probably shouldn't say. So if you like the ramblings today, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. Now let's set my throttle lock so I can turn off the camera and turn on some music.